example, the first example. The question is, if z is greater than k, okay, you are listening, right? Z greater than k. Now for z greater than k, we have two types of problem. One type is when the probability is less than 0.5. Z greater than k, we have another type of problem that the probability is more than 0.5. So you see these two type of problems here. One, probability less than 0.5, and one, probability greater than 0.5. Another type of problem is over here, z is less than k. Z is less than k. Again, we have two types of problem. One, the probability is less than 0.5. And another one, z less than k, but the probability is more than 0.5. So altogether, we have four types of problem, right? By looking at whether the z-score is greater than k or the z-score is less than k. If the z-score is greater than k, we have two types of problem. One, probability greater than 0.5. Another one, probability less than 0.5. So if the z is, if probability of z less than k, we have two types of problem. Less than k, the two types of problem are the probability is less than 0.5 or the probability is greater than 0.5. So I'm going to go through, I need to go through question A with you or not. There are four types of problem. Go through again, right? Okay. Now, go through again. Probability of z greater than k is 0.2395. So we know that the area represent the probability. 0.2395. Okay, let's say the k is here. So this is greater than k, and this area is 0.2395. But there's another possibility is that the k is here, the k is here, and greater than k is this area here. So which one do you think is the correct answer? The top or the bottom one? The top or the bottom one? Anyone? The probability is
Top.
correct, top. The probability is 0.2395. This probability is less than 0.5. So less than 0.5 is this area. So the top one is the correct one. Now, if you say the bottom is, if you say the answer is the bottom, then it is wrong, because if the k is here, the probability is more than 0.5. Now, this one more than half already. The half is the center line. Half is the center line. So this is more than half. So this is greater than 0.5. So the bottom one is wrong. Okay, right. So why we have to do like this? Because our table, the normal distribution table, only gives us the upper tail. Not only the upper tail, but it is greater than, and it's only half the upper tail. It's starting from 0.5. So we have to do some manipulation. Okay, we go through this question. Now the table given to us is the upper tail, and the value that is inside the table is less than or equal to 0.5. Because of this, we have to do some manipulation. Okay, so probability is 2395. So I go to this one, next page. So the probability, you look at this one, 2395, this one, 2395. So 2395 lies between two numbers. What are the two numbers? So you look at the table, you see 2395 between two numbers. So let's say I have detected 2395 is the red dot here. 2395 is the red dot here. It lies between two numbers, 2420 and 2389. Okay, so 95, 395 is between 240 and 398. Okay, so between these two numbers. So if it is between these two numbers, I have two choices. I can pick the number on the left hand side, 2420, or I pick the number on the right hand side, 2389. So the choice is yours. Which number you want to pick, right? Which number you want to pick. Okay, let's say I pick 2420. 2420. Now 2420, the difference with 2395, 2420, 2395, the difference is 25. The difference is 25. So this 25, I can look behind. So this, I take this number, 24, I take this number, 2420, and I have extra 25 or 25. So I look at the back there, I try to look at 25, there's no 25. The nearest number is 24, so I choose 24. So 24 correspond with the number 8 at the top. It correspond with the number 8 at the top. So the answer is 0.718. Sorry, not 1, 0.70, sorry, 0.70, then the last digit is 8. So answer is this one. Okay, answer is 0.708. Okay, so this is the answer. Now, what happened if I choose this number, 2389? What happened if I choose 2389? If I choose 2389, this 2389 is in front of this number 2395. Never mind, I choose this. Okay, I like to choose this number. Now, if I choose this number, right? If I choose this number, then it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. If I choose this number, 2389. Let's say I don't want to choose 2420. I choose 2389. So if I choose 2389, I have to take 2395 minus 2389. And the difference is 0.0006. So I look behind, there's this number 6 there. 6 there, the number is 2. So what should I do? I take 0.71, okay, 0.71 minus 0. This number 0.002, 0.002. So the answer is still the same, 0.708. Any questions so far? Any question?
Yeah. No, teacher.
No question. Now, you have no question, then I ask you, which number you prefer to choose? Which number you prefer to choose? The number behind or the number in front? Which number you prefer? 2420, or you want to choose this number 2389? What is your choice?
23282420.
Correct, 2420. Very good. Why? Because you don't have to subtract. You don't have to minus. You see here, you have to minus here. Here you just add. It's easier to add than to minus. Right? Minus, you don't know how many decimal places you have to shift and so on. Now this one, if you choose the number on the left hand side, you just plus the number there only. You don't have to subtract. And the decimal places, you just add one decimal place. Okay or not? Any questions so far?
No, teacher.
No. Okay, no, then I should ask you the next question. Okay, next question is like this. The probability of z greater than k is 0.8582. Find the z score. So now I ask you, which of the two graphs below shows the correct value for k? One, if the k is here, then k is a positive value. If the k is here, then k is a negative value. Now you must bear in mind that your table never show you the negative value. Never show you the
Below.
negative value. Huh?
The below one.
The one below, correct. The one below. Why is it the one below? Because you look at your probability. Your probability is more than 0.5. So which one of these shows the probability more than 0.5? The top or the bottom? Of course, the bottom one shows you the value of k, the value of probability more than 0.5. Now, the problem now arises because your table, your normal distribution table, the number is never greater than 0.5. It is the most equal to 0.5. So how are you going to find this number from the table? The number is 0.8582. So this number is not inside the table. So how to do? Okay, sometimes you cannot find the value directly. We can only find the equivalent. We need to change the p greater than k. We need to change them to the upper tail. Okay, greater than k. Okay, right. From the graph, we know that k is a negative number because k is on the left-hand side of the graph of the middle line here. K is on the left of the middle line. So we know the value of k is negative. So if you want to find the probability of z greater than k, which is 0.8582, we cannot find this number. So we take 1 minus this number, right? We take 1 minus this number. So if you know this side, the probability is 8582. This side pula, the one less than k is what? Less than k is 1 minus 0.8582. That is 0.41418. Okay, so this is the number 1418, right? Less than this number. And then the problem is the table only show us the upper tail. They never show us the lower tail. This one less than k is the lower tail. So they didn't show the lower tail. Oh, how can I find? Okay, one more. So by symmetry, the probability greater than negative k is also 0.1418. Now what does this mean? I show you. What does this mean? It means that there is another line here. There's another line here. So the probability here is how much? This side 0.1418. This one. This side less than k is 0.1418. But our table cannot find less than k1. Our table only find more than k. But lucky for us, this part here, because of symmetry, the part which is on the right hand side, is also 0.1418 because of symmetry. So I write here the probability of z greater than negative k is also 0.1418. Now this one shows this part here. Shows this one here. But because of symmetry, I know that this one, which is this part here, has the same value, because if this is negative k and this one is the positive k, if this is positive k, this one is negative k. They are symmetric. The positive k and negative k, they are symmetry about the center line. So the probability on the two sides, they are the same. This side 0.1418, The other side also 0.1418. So now I'm going to show you how to check the table for the z-score. Okay, we go and check the table for the z-score. Here it is 0. Oh, I clear this first. 0.1418. Probability of z greater than k is 1418. Now, where is 1418? 1418 lies between two numbers. What are the two numbers? Can you see 1418? 14 are here. 1423, 1401. 1418 is in between. Correct. So 1418 is between 1423 and 1401. Now, there is no doubt. Which one is a better choice? 1423 or 1401? Can you tell me which one is a better choice to find the value of k? Anyone? Which number to choose? 1418 lies between two numbers. Which number better to choose?
1423.
Correct, very good. We always choose the one on the left hand side, because on the left hand side we just add, right? So if you choose this 1423, right, it is easier to choose the number on the left, 1423. So I use 1423 minus 1418. Answer is 0.0005. So 0.005, oh God, this number 5. 5 corresponds to the number 2 at the top there. It corresponds with the number 2. So my answer is 1.0, 1.07, 1.072. This one, 1.072. Anyone don't know how to use the table to find the z-score? Probability, use calculator. Only z-score you use this table. So never mind, if you don't know, after I'm going to show you two more examples, right? So now I know the answer is how much? 1072. So I come back to this problem here. So this number here is what? 10172, is it? Okay, answer is negative 1072. Now, as I've explained earlier, what we have found is this one. Now, this number here is 1.072. This number is 1.072. But we do not want this number here, because our number actually is on the left-hand side of the center. Okay, so over here it is negative 1.072. Is this okay? We found 1072, but the actual number is negative 1072, right? Because the actual number is on the left. What we found is the number on the right. Any questions so far?